Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to change your Facebook name or the name on your Facebook, how you can change it to different name. Please watch the video to the end and follow the steps if you want to change your name. Let's start. Remember, kindly subscribe to the channel. First, you click on the three lines top on your right hand side corner top. So you click, and you scroll down, you see settings and privacy. You click on it. You see settings, you click on settings. Here you will see more in account center. So to make it easy, you see there's a search bar. Click on the search bar and type account center. Type account center. You click on the account center. You see account center. You click on the account center. You see the account center. Here I have combined my Instagram account and Facebook account together. So here, to rename or to change your Facebook name, you click on the profile. And here, because I want to change my Facebook name, I'll click on the Facebook. Here, I'll go to name. So I'll click on the name and the name I want to use. So this is the name I want to use. So this is the name I want to use. So the first name, middle name, the last name. So this is the name I will use. And I'll click change review. So here it will ask you either you want to use. So here you choose the name you prefer you want to use. So either you use the first one or the second one. So I'll use the second one. First, you can also use the first one. So you prefer what you want. So I'll choose and click save changes. Good. Now I have changed my Facebook name. So this is how you can change your Facebook name. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.